Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening Clock app. Following that, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then, before adding your alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Settings and adjust all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. When you're ready, click on the back button and tap on this plus to create your alarm. Set up an hour and choose OK at the bottom right corner of your pop-up. Finally, you can adjust all of its settings. At the top, choose Add Label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. You can also tap on this plus next to Pause Alarm and pick when you wish to pause it. Then click on OK to save your changes. By tapping on this bell though, you can pick alarm music within seconds by selecting one of those sources like Spotify or YouTube and logging in to your accounts. Tapping on Add New under your sounds to pick music from your smartphone or selecting one of those sounds like beep beep alarm. Wherever you decide when you finished, go back. Then click on those two little icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine to disable or enable vibrations and add it or remove it from your assistant. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. In order to hide all of those settings, click on the top right corner of it. Now, to switch it off completely, tap on this blue switcher. You can turn it back on the same way. Lastly, to delete it, tap on the top right corner of it and select this bin at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!